A very good morning to my dear student. Hope you are fine and doing well. So today we will be discussing with our next chapter, that is the secondary sector. In our last class, we have discussed about the primary sector. Primary sector, it included the agriculture sector mostly. Okay, the sources of raw materials. Okay, agriculture, FCI, Green Revolution. These were the main topic in the primary sector. So in the secondary sector, we will be learning about industrialization. Okay, in today's topic, we will be learning about meaning and types of industrialization or industries. So what is industrialization? Okay, what is industrialization? So as I noted here, industrialization, it means, okay, a process in which more and more industries are established in a country, means addition of more and more industries within the economy or in the country is termed as industrialization. When more and more industries are included, added, established, settled, okay, within the economy of the country or within the country, it is termed as industrialization. The process of development of industries within the economy, it is termed as industrialization. In so many form you can write the definition. Okay, in so many form you can write the definition of industrialization. So when more and more industries are established or included, okay, within the economy of a country, it is termed as industrialization. Okay, so what are the types? There are two types of industrialization: cottage industries and small scale industries. Okay, in cottage industries, the investment is generally low as compared to small scale industries. Cottage industries are done mostly by the family members, and small scale industries are mostly done by the hired workers. Okay, in cottage industries, mostly the method of techniques are used. Old method of techniques are used, but in small scale industries, advanced, modernized method of techniques are used. Okay, this way it is described. So I have noted the five differences, okay, between the cottage and small scale industries. Okay, what is cottage industries and what is small scale industries? This is very much important. Okay, so let us discuss one by one. So when you say about cottage industries, okay, mostly it is established by the family members. Okay, these industries are largely carried out by the family members. Okay, mostly it is established by the family members, you can say. And you can say small scale industries. These industries are usually carried on by the hired laborers, or the family members, hired family members. Okay, relatives and all. So, cottage industries. Point number two: the capital investment. The capital investment which is made in cottage industries is very low. It is very low. But when you come to small scale industries, a fixed capital investment up to rupees 5 crore, is required for the establishment of small scale industries. A capital investment fixed capital investment up to rupees 5 crore is required for the establishment of small scale industries. Okay, from the amount only you can think, okay, how big it is. So cottage industries, here in cottage industries, the old method of techniques are used. And here when you come to small scale industries, modernized method of techniques are used. latest techniques are used. Modern method of techniques are utilized here. Your old method, it won't work. Or it will be okay, low production if the old techniques are used. And why cottage industry is okay old method? Because when if they will invest more money in the modern method of production, then a huge investment is required, and they don't have much fund. Okay, so for the modern method, fund is required. So in cottage industries they have less fund, that's why they use old method. And here small scale industries, they have nice fund, okay, they have huge fund, so they go for modern method of techniques. Okay, so next, cottage industries, the raw materials are required. So raw materials which is required for the production, okay, they in cottage industries they arrange locally. Okay, from the local people only they arrange all the raw materials which need to be okay carried on for the production. Okay, so when you come to small scale industries, okay, the raw material which needs for the production, they arrange from different corner of the country, different parts of the country. Okay, they just don't go for local, they just don't depend locally, but they move towards different corner, different parts of the country, okay, for the production. When you come to point of 5, selling activities. Okay, selling activities, so miss you can say marketing. Okay, marketing, where do they sell the product? In cottage industries, cottage industries sell their product locally, they don't go globally or within the country, they sell to the local people only, because the production is not so very huge. But when you go for small scale industries, the market activities, the selling activities, it done okay within the country, within the different corner of the country. Okay, all the regions. So whether it is north, south, east, west, okay, all the direction, cardinal direction, in everywhere the product is sold. Okay, small scale industries. So this is what the types. Okay, the definition. So when you say about industrialization, it can be defined as the process in which more and more industries are established within the economy, within the country. Okay, so types you can see there are two types. Okay, first, yeah, use of labor. Okay, labor are used mostly by the family members, and yeah, hired workers are used. Okay, next you can say capital investment. The capital which is invested here is very low. Okay, yeah, the capital here, a fixed capital investment is required up to rupees how much? 5 crore. Up to rupees 5 crore. Next year, technique of production. Here, old method of techniques are used, and here the latest and modern method of techniques are used. And here resources. When you say about resources, raw materials are arranged from local community or locally, and here resources. Raw materials are arranged from different corner of the country, different parts of the country. Okay, and here market. Yeah, selling of the goods are done locally, But when you come to here, selling of the goods are done in different regions of the country, So this is what in today's syllabus. Thank you for watching the video.